Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the numbers name. In this video we will learn how to insert the comma in the numbers in both the systems. Our today's topic is inserting comma. Here we can see that a number has been given to us. How to place the comma in this number? Do you have any idea how we will place the comma? Think about it. Yes, let me tell you. In international number system we can see that there are three groups: units, thousands and million. And unit is divided into three groups: units, tens, hundreds. Now we have completed one period. These three digits are completing one period. Then it comes second period of thousands. Thousand is further divided into three groups: thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Then it comes millions group. It's mean after the three digit from the right side, it completes one period. So we will place the comma after the one period. From the right side we will count the three digits and we will place the comma after three digits. In international number system, there is a number. So, from the right side we will count and after three digits we will place the comma. I repeat, we count from the right side and then after three digits we place the comma. South Asian number system. How we will place the comma in this number according to South Asian number system? Here we can see that unit is divided into three groups. Yes, units. Next one is tens, and then next one is hundreds. Unit is divided into three groups: units, tens and hundreds. Now the units after three digits is completing its period. It means after three digits one period is being completed. Then it comes thousands period. It is divided into two groups: thousands and 10,000s. And then it comes lakhs. Lakh is also divided into two groups: lakh, 10 lakh. Here we can see that these three digits completes one period of units. So after three digits from the right side we will place the comma. Now there is second period of thousands. There are two groups. It's mean after two digits we will place the next comma. South Asian number system. Here in this number, first comma is being placed after three digits and we will place the second comma after two digits. In both the systems, first comma is placed after three digits. Here in both the systems, we can see that the 6-digit number in international number system called 100,000. And one comma is placed after three digits. In South Asian number system, 6-digit number called lakh, and there are two commas placed in this number. First is placed after three digits from the right and second is placed after two digits. Here we can see that in international number system, 7-digit number called millions, whereas in South Asian number system, 7-digit number called 10 lakh. 8,105. Is it in international number system or South Asian number system? Think about it. There are 8 lakhs. It is not in international number system because there are lakhs. It means the number is in South Asian number system. We will place the 8,105 in this chart. How many lakhs are there? There are 8 lakhs. Is there any 10,000 or 1,000? No. There are no 10,000s and thousands. It means there are 0 10,000s and 0 thousands. Then it comes 100. Is there any 10? No. So we will place 0. There are 0 tens in this number. And there are 5 units. Now we will place the comma after 3 digits from the right side. And second digit will be placed after 2 digits. After the thousands period, we will place second comma. 600,023. Is it in international number system or South Asian number system? Yes, South Asian number system. No, it is in international number system as there are 600,000. 100,000 shows the number is in international number system. In international number system, we will place this number in the chart and we will place the comma in this number. A chart has been shown. How many 100,000s are there? There are 600,000s. Is there any 10,000? No. So what we will place there? We will place 0. Is there any 1,000? No. We will place 0. Is there any 100 in this number? No. So we will place 0. Now students, you will tell me how many tens are there? There are 2 tens and 3 units. We will place the comma. We count the 3 digits from the right side. After 3 digits, we will place the comma in this number. In this video, we have discussed how to insert the comma. In the next video, we will learn comparing the numbers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.